Hey everyone, it's Melissa of Butterfly Planner. I am doing my plan with me for the week, and I know it's late. I jinxed myself the other day by saying, oh, we're gonna be on schedule now. Anyways, I have the Christmas with Tiggero kit here. It is the mini version. I don't have the add-on sheet, but I do have this. I meant to print out stuff before I film this, and I didn't, so we are going to make do. I am going to use these Spark Planner Life headers, these like glitter headers from her as my headers, and then just kind of go ham on all the things foil. I reorganized all my stickers the other day, and if you want to see how I've got them, I almost have them 100%. I just need to go grab stuff for my Sweet Kawaii Design stickers for the big, what do you call it? For her like kawaii sub, because they're a little bit bigger, but that is perfectly okay. I was talking in the Facebook group there, and they told me what I could do, so yay. Oh no, I want to do where Monday is there, so we can have Saturday and Sunday here. Oh, I don't have a weekend banner. I was like, so I can use the weekend banner. Silly me. So yeah, I am trying to incorporate more foil. I don't have that much, so if you know in any other shops that have awesome foil, I have some stuff from Planning Roses and from that I'll be using, and then this, like I said, is from Spark Planner Life. So if you have any suggestions of other awesome foil places, let me know. I like to shop small just because I feel like as a small shop owner, I want to support other small shop owners. So yeah. My fingers aren't working. I have a lot to do today. Let me also know in the comments if you have been following me on Vlogmas on my Instagram, because it's been fun. I'm glad I didn't do like full blown Vlogmas because of everything going on. I'm not really doing anything that's super exciting, so it kind of sucks in a lot of ways because of that, but it also just kind of is what it is. So these are too long. Oh, that's rose gold. I'll cut them down. I'll put it at the top, or like this. Help if I started it the correct way. This isn't gonna work the way I'm thinking, so I think we're just gonna do like this. No, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, that did not just happen, did it? Dang it. I definitely have to use I didn't realize these are frosted. Dang it. Okay, maybe I won't use that. I'm gonna have to take this off though and use the other piece because it's all sticky now. So what are you doing for Christmas if you celebrate? Whether you celebrate it secularly or not, what do you do? I am kind of, it's weird to me. It's my first Christmas here in Oklahoma, and it's just going differently than what I had kind of expected to do, but that's okay. you know, the pandemic, everything else, it just kind of makes other people have their own traditions that they are used to doing, and then I'm coming in and being like, pay attention to me. So, but what we are going to do is, I think Christmas Day, me and my dad are going to just hang out and do our own thing. I traditionally make cinnamon rolls on Christmas Day, like for breakfast, and then I'm gonna make this like scramble that I do in the oven, and then we are going to open presents. And the day before, the morning before, my sister is going to come over with my nephews, and it is our first Christmas ever with my nephews, and I'm so excited. So we are gonna do that, and yeah, I'm really excited for it. Let's see. I don't know what I'm tracking this week, but I'm tracking something. Oh, I hear a daisy. I think I might use all of the boxes just because I haven't been, like, I've been doing stuff, but it's like, oh, that it takes all day. Like yesterday, we went down to the city to run some errands. We went to like Target. We needed to drop off. I cannot see. We dropped off toys for Tots at a, wow, that, it must not be straight. The other one. No, it's not. Oh well. So I did that. We went to dinner or lunch, and just because it's an hour drive, just under an hour. Anyways, we kind of were like, let's just make the most of it. And so we did. Today's going to be my busy day. I'm hoping to get some wrapping done, but we will see. Or not wrapping. I already did all my wrapping, which was pretty awesome. Maybe that's the one I won't use as the wrapping one. For Christmas, see, that's Christmas Eve. So this is Christmas. No, that's Saturday. I'm so confused. Wait, this is Christmas. So I'm gonna put the Christmas tree on Christmas. And put the stocking on Christmas Eve. Ah, oh, I hear a daisy. I see a daisy. I hope you like the setup. I haven't set up my lights yet. I'm looking for the stand that is supposed to go with it. Like I use different stands, but now the way that my filming station is set up, I'm near a window, so lights are coming in better and more evenly. Dang it, I went backwards. And what do you call it? There's no place to put the tall stand for the light on this side because I'm up against a wall. So I need to go find the original little cowboy stands, like they call them, for my lights. And that's the fun part, is because who knows where it is with stuff being packed away for a year. Okay. Let's do this. That's so cute. I want to see if I have some foil that can go like right here. I have all these like really cute Christmas foils and stuff from Honey Inked that I got last year. Here, I think I'm gonna use this like bough, like pine bough here. I think there's a present on one of these. Maybe it's this one. So pretty. Maybe I'll do the toy. think I'm going to do the toy for my nephews coming over. Right here. And what else? I need more. I need something. I need like a Merry Christmas right here. I think I want to use this one. Oops. Oops. Oh, I'm super excited. My planners are both en route to being shipped. Like, they've both been shipped. One got shipped out a week ago, but thanks to the post office, which I'm sure they are working their booty off right now, but I still am impatient. It has been a week, and the other one shipped yesterday, so I'm very excited to finally get to show you. A couple of you have already guessed it pretty well, so yeah. Let's see, I think I want to do an overlay, maybe. I don't know if any of these work with the overlays I have. I might go with the Planning Roses one. So these are all the overlays I have. Most are from Spark Planner Life, but I think they work better on, because the writing, on something that has on the, what do you call it? Words, Melissa. That's like doesn't have a picture. Would this look cute on something? No. Maybe the tree. Maybe the snow. I'm just worried because I thought this was clear and it's not. Oh, and it's ripping. No. So careful. These are from her advent calendar last year, and I'm just getting to them. Oh, I have to be careful. Do I like that? No. No. I gotta use it somewhere. Here, I'm gonna use it on the cup. Oh, this is stressful. Okay, there we go. So here is my finished layout. As usual, make sure you follow me on Instagram. One, to follow my Vlogmas. I have all the last days up there saved in my highlights. And to see how my planner turns out. If you want to see last week's how it turned out, I'm going to film a quick reel for it for Instagram. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.